so bored. I don't have anything to do. I wish I had some more toys for my Chloe toy fans. But that would never work because my mommy bought me a fish and she's gonna give Franklin a sim pack.
Fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbow.
What is this?
Dancing on rainbow.
Hello, boy. My name is Mr. Rainbow.
Whoa!
I know I kind of look weird, but I'm a
Let's test your
catacorn.
knowledge and see what you've learned so far.
Impressive.
What color are the unicorns?
What's this box?
It's just nothing but a squishy
Where are they
maker. That's all.
dancing?
No biggie.
Yes, Biggie. Oh my God.
Please use
Welcome,
one word to
Chloe's
describe the
doing
texture
home where
of your
you can
magical
have
fur.
fun. So guys, you should have saw that box.
Smile.
This unicorn, he brought me this make your own squishy toy. And I really love unicorns, you guys might know that. Because my music video when you saw me wear that unicorn suit. So, and this, Mr. Rainbow, what do you have to say about yourself being on YouTube?
It's really cool.
Oh, thank you. So, we're gonna open the surprise.
Unicorns dancing on rainbow. Fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbow.
Oh my God, we have like a lot of
Wow.
Okay.
So what squish are you going to make, Chloe?
I'm gonna make since you guys heard me when I said, should I get the scissors? Okay, I got it open. So we have a panda. So they already make the squishy for you. All we have to do is just like paint it. I thought they already had the face on it, so we have to make a panda face. And
See, guys, it's very, very squishy.
it feels like a marshmallow. I wish you guys at home could feel this. Feel the unicorn. It feels like
Oh
a
my
marshmallow.
God, the unicorn feels so good.
Oh my God, this one kind of feels like the panda bear.
Can I feel it? Oh, this one feels soft.
Thank you. This
I think the unicorn one is the softest.
I know, it feels like marshmallows. Okay, and what is this supposed to be?
Here, let me see that. Oh, this is the puff paint, you guys. If you want to make it like puffy.
So we have all the paint.
And the paint.
So guys, this is like the sponge thing. You know, like when you want to make it spongy.
Yeah, and so guys, we're gonna cut the video and show you when Chloe is done painting her unicorn.
Okay, now what color do you want to paint it, Brooklyn?
I don't really know, but okay. This is Chloe's squishy that she made.
And yeah, but it looks kind of corny, guys. But I made like everything. I made like the fluffy part. Yes.
And you could get that, and if you want this, you could get it from 5 and B.
And you can make your own things. And I made a unicorn one, but I didn't like it. And you have your own painting stuff. Look, anybody want some black water?
No. Well, thank you for watching, guys, and bye.